Alright guys, this one here, it's tricky, but not so bad. Alright, let's start off the first part here. Oh, that's not the straightest line ever. Alright, the yellow part is the first question. Alright, the first two questions are in yellow. And all you need to do is separate out 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of 2. Everybody on board so far? What is 2 to the power of 2? 4. So it's 4. It's 4 2 to the power of x's. Okay. Next one we're going to do 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x. Well, one of them plus another one is 2 of them. This is 2 by 2 to the power of x. The first answer is 4 of them. The second answer is 2 of them. Now, use this to figure out the following. Well, 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of 2x. Then on the other side we have 4 by 2 to the power of x. And then we have c minus 2. Can I pause it there? Does everybody see what I did there? Has anyone got any questions off the record? When you look at both sides, what do they have in common? 2 to the power of x can cancel. And you basically get 2 equals 4c minus 8. Bring the a over the other side. 10 equals 4c. C equals 2.5, 2.5. And you're done. Happy days. Anybody get that? Yeah, not so much. Right. Alright guys, we're on to 11 now, is it? Now, question 11. By using substitution y equals 3 to the power of x, find two values of x such that 3 times 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of minus x equals 4. Alright, that's not bad. Bog standard one. Bop, bop. This is very standard. Now, 3, what does that dot mean in the middle? It means multiply. If it's decimals, it'll be the middle. It's on the bottom, it's multiply. So it's going to be 3 by y. No bother. Now, what does 3 to the power of minus x mean? 1 over 3 to the power of x. Which will now be 1 over y equals 4. Give it a common denominator. And you get 3y squared, 4y. Cancel the y's and you're going to get 3y squared minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. This is a very easy one to do. It's 3y minus 1, 3y. Oh, it's a perfect square, is it? No, it's not a perfect square. Whoa. Minus b formula. Is it? No, I'm losing it. Ah, here we are. Yeah, Friday afternoons. Woo! Boom. Alright, what do we get next? Y equals 1 and y will equal a third. I haven't got the correct answer because it says solve this equation, which means I have to solve for x, not solve for y. I have to solve for x. 3 to the power of x equals a third. Well, that would mean x equals 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power minus 1. This implies that x equals. And finally, 3 to the power of x equals 1. And we all know that means 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 0. X equals 0. And we're done. Any questions? We're letting 2 to the power of x equals y. Solve the following equation. Right. 2 to the power of x plus 1 is the same thing as 2 by 2 to the power of x. Everybody see that? Just add the powers, can't you? And using this logic, it's actually the same thing as 2y. What's 2 to the power of minus x? 1 over 2 to the power of x, which is the same thing as 1 over y. Now replace everything in, and we're going to have 2y plus 2 times 1 over y minus 5 equals 0. What do we get next? Anybody? Yep, and over here. and over here. You want to be really thorough about it. Now what's your answer then? I'll just get rid of those y's just to show you what I did. Okay. So that's the last step. Now the next step will be 2y squared minus 5y plus 2 equals 0. Solve it. We're going to get 2y, y, minus 2, minus 1. Then you're going to get y equals 2. And y equals a half. How about 2 with 2 and a half, yeah? 2 to the power of x equals 2, so what does that mean? X equals 1. 2 to the power of x equals a half, what does that mean? X equals minus 1. And we're done.